The medicines that work but we don't know why. Number 5. Valdecoxib. Under its brand name Bextra, this was a popular treatment for rheumatoid arthritis and related conditions. In 2005, the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, decided that its risks outweighed its benefits and stopped its sale. Bextra was effective but could cause heart, skin, and stomach problems. Valdecoxib is a good example of a drug that researchers designed to address a particular problem. In a class of NSAIDs called COX-2 inhibitors, it works by somehow stopping the body's production of a substance that causes pain and inflammation. However, it had broader effects than expected, even though other COX-2 inhibitors didn't, at least to the same degree. Pharmaceutical companies routinely run trial after trial until they think that they are certain that they know what they are dealing with. This is why it takes so long to get FDA approval. But it can take years for the full range of side effects to emerge. Number 4. Febuxostat. Gout is an incredibly painful condition. Traditionally, people thought of it as a condition that only affected the rich, but no physical ailment is ever restricted to a specific class of people. Gout results from having too much uric acid in the body, causing crystals to form around the joints. Febuxostat, under the brand name Uloric, among others, is a long-term treatment that cuts the production of uric acid. Doctors will usually only prescribe febuxostat for sufferers who can't tolerate allopurinol. They know that the drug is very effective against gout, but what is less well understood is why some people suffer debilitating side effects. These can include liver problems, pain in the joints, nausea, and skin rash. In some cases, patients suffer from anaphylactic shock, which can be fatal. Number 3. Tofacitinib. Sold under the most common brand name, Xeljanz, this is another medicine that doesn't work as its developers had hoped. A doctor might prescribe this medicine to patients with rheumatoid arthritis who can't tolerate the more widely used methotrexate. Initial clinical trials revealed that a few subjects contracted upper respiratory tract infections, diarrhea, and headaches. After years of trials, the FDA approved the drug in 2012. Then, in 2014, a study showed that tofacitinib also converted white fat tissues into brown. Brown fat tissues are more active and break down more easily than white. This unexpected result suggested that the drug might be an effective obesity treatment. If this were true, it would suggest that the already expensive drug had an enormous potential market. It also suggests that researchers didn't really know how the drug worked. Some patients ended up with cancer or pulmonary embolisms. It's worth pointing out that these side effects are very rare, but they do occur. Please watch part 4 and give me subscribe. Your subscribe is my support, and like and share. We will release other 8 videos or more videos about this topic.